Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take slow motion video in your phone Nothing Phone 1. First, open camera in your phone Nothing Phone 1 and keep the camera mode to slow motion SLOMO. First option and shoot your video. Now I shoot this video. Start recording my video. While recording it will be like a normal video, but after stopping your video and playing the video will have the slow motion because you are recording in slow motion. Now I stop it and I play the video that I took. Slow motion appears from this place to this place. See the action. It's very slow. You can also change. Wow. See here, action is very slow. Can you see it? Yes. So in this way, you can easily directly record slow motion in your phone, Nothing Phone 1. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.